If you got a child that's a spendthrift or addiction issues and you want that money held in trust and doled out to them over a number of years, again, we're not using POD to the kids. We're going to use a trust to avoid probate.
Yep, that's correct.
Alexis, I'm sure I probably told you before, but on a pretty regular basis, I have parents that come to me and say, Tom, we have a daughter, we love her, but I don't like her husband. I want to make sure her husband never gets a dime of our money. What are we going to do?
Mm-hmm.
And I say the only way to accomplish that is that when you pass away, rather than giving your daughter her share outright free of trust, you would have a trust that states that when you pass away, your daughter's share of your estate would be doled out to her a number of years. And if she ever divorces that man, well, then she can have it all.
Oh.
I've done it. It's not common, and I don't necessarily recommend it, but that's how strongly people feel about it sometimes.
Wow. Would you say that's often or not so often?
I would say not so often. It's pretty harsh, to say.
That is harsh.
If my daughter's still married to that man, then her share is held in trust. If we pass away and our daughter's divorced from that man, then she can have it outright. That's pretty harsh.
That's pretty intense.
But people have some good, valid reasons that the daughter may be golden, but her husband's a spendthrift, and they know that if they leave their share to their daughter outright, he's going to get access to it and blow it all.
Yep.
And one thing that we know that's important to our clients when we're doing their estate planning is they want their wealth used wisely by their children when they pass away. They have a right and an expectation that their children will use its money wisely when they pass away, and I think that that's a legitimate thought.
I agree, because they worked hard to build that, and they want to make sure that it's going toward a good use.
Exactly. Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law.